Week 3, question number 3. A line AB has its end A 30 mm above HB and 35 mm in front of VP. Its top view has a length of x mm. The line is inclined at 50 degree to HB and parallel to VP. Draw its projection and find the true length of the line. This question how to draw in the AutoCAD. See here, week 3 question number 3. First draw the reference line. Take line command. Random length. First you got to draw the XY reference line. Then take line command from above direction. As per question, above HP 50 mm. So 50, enter. Then in front of VP 35 mm. Enter. Okay. Next, I check the questions. (30 mm above HB, 35 mm in front of HP. Third question. Above HB 30 mm. Enter. Okay. Next, this question they are asking calculate its length in front view. This length they are asking. Okay. The top view length XM long parallel to HB. X is I take 75 mm. From here to draw 75, enter. Then this question reversible in the question number 2. They are here given this inclination given true length ask in front view. Okay, this question inclination not given. So from here to some random length draw one line. Randomly drawn. Okay. Next, incline 30 degree to VP. Okay, which are questions? See here. This line is inclined at 50 degree to HP. So take line command from starting here. Press ortho on. This length is not given. Randomly you take I take 150 mm. Press tab in the keyboard. The angle they are given 50 degree. Enter. Okay. This line intersecting here now. I draw a straight line. Check angular dimensions 50 degree. This length is yard measured, aligned from here to here 116.68. That is your answer. And here to here all the proper dimension you have to give, and notation also you have to give. It is 75 mm is a true length I take. It is the x value 75. It is finded value 116.8 is finded value, and this angle true length inclination is 50 degree. Okay. Finally give name and change the difference color, and the line weight also you get change the color. Go to by layer, any different color you have to take like this. Okay, thank you.